Hi everybody, this is Roscoe Thompson with Danchuk Manufacturing. I'm here in Old Town, Murrieta, California for the Murrieta Rod Run. I've got over 400 cars registered for the event and over 20,000 spectators. You can find our booth at the corner of Juniper Street and Washington Avenue right here in downtown Old Town, Murrieta. It's just set up right now, but lots of cars already starting to fill in the streets here. It's definitely going to be a fun couple days here tonight and tomorrow. Here's a 55 Bel Air two-door hardtop. And I was talking just a couple minutes ago with Bub and Blake about their 55 two-door hardtop. Another beautiful Trifive that's here. Guys, why don't you tell us a little bit about your car?
Thank you very much. The car has been in the family for 25 years. My dad had it up in eastern Washington, and for a 50th birthday present, he passed it down to us. So now we're enjoying it here in Southern California and going to lots of shows.
Awesome. Well, guys, enjoy the show. Great to meet you.
Thank you very much.
Beautiful car again. I'm going to walk around here, and I'll see you a little bit later. All right, guys?
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
All right, folks. Lots of fun, lots of food, lots of music, amazing cars. Going to be driving up and down the street here in just a little bit. So if you're in anywhere near Murrieta, California, make sure you come out. We've got the Danchuk booth here. Again, you come see our brand new, newly tooled 1955 grill. That's an amazing piece of craftsmanship. We've got some goodies for you. We can talk Tri-Fives and pick up your money-saving show-only coupon. So look forward to seeing you on Friday night or Saturday here in Murrieta, California.